Hi guys. So we just connected the new Nuuk E-line LED bar. It's a LED bar that's integrated to the license plate holder, so you get a holder and the LED bar together. Included in this one is also a relay, so you don't need to buy an extra relay if you have an older car that you can steal the signal from the high beam cable. For this one we have used the XBB connection to get the Canbus. It's connected underneath the steering wheel with the OBD2 connector. You control everything with an app, so you can connect it to the high beam signal. Talks with the relay here with Bluetooth 5.0. This one tells the LED bar when the high beam is on. It will connect directly. So we have done it curved a little bit because most of the cars are curved in the front, but they are more or less curved, of course. So we have some adjustment screws that can adjust a little bit to get a good fit here. And also you can adjust them to get the LED bar to lean forward if the front is leaning backwards. So you will get the light on the road, not on the treetops, not a big point just in front of the car. But you always, when you connect, always try and find the signal first if you need to get a Canbus signal. If you have halogen lights, you can always steal the signal from the cable that goes to the headlight. But check first where you can find it. So always check first where you get your high beam signal. So in this case, we needed XBB, so we get a relay. Otherwise, we don't use relays for this one. We have the pre-mounted pins to the DT connector. We've done this just so you don't need to drill a hole as big as the DT connector. So you just need to drill a 8mm hole if hole is needed. Here we have had a hole from the beginning. Most electrical cars maybe don't have that. So then you can really small hole. Check how you can connect everything here, and then you assemble the DT connector up where you will do all the connections. So first signal, then mount, then connect.